Hello, my beautiful people out there. Welcome back to Roop's Life and Lifestyle. If you're a new friend on my channel or seeing me for the first time, I do request that you subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Today is 3rd August. The first Sunday in August is celebrated as the Friendship Day. So wishing each one of you a very happy Friendship Day. After a lot of Venn diagram permutation combination, we decided to meet today, and this is our biannual meetup because of Shireen, who comes twice a year to India from US. So we are meeting at Bagicha Cafe. This is in Flotel. More details soon. Friendship like ours isn't about time. It's about trust, memories, and the bond that we share, which nothing can weaken. So despite the inclement weather, the Sunday, we decided to meet, and here we go. On my way to pick up Shireen. And there is Shireen waiting in the sun. Come.
And I was surprised.
Can I get it right too?
Oh, come, sure. Oh, this is a real surprise, very. Come. Oh, wow, this is a Friendship Day gift. Yes, very. So let the compliments come in. Not
She looks the same, even better than 10 years ago.
Thank you.
How about
That was about 10 years ago. Last time we met. Yeah, somewhere in Park Street. I don't remember where, but. So glad. Thank you, Shireen, for getting her today. Thank you. And this was such a coincidence.
I know,
But we
yeah.
didn't plan it that
No,
way, but then
It
good.
worked.
Yeah.
It worked out.
Yes, the foreigner is leading us.
That's Flotel on the river. Come and
Okay. We'll float there in the boathouse.
float. Be careful you don't get hit by the train. It's a train track.
All right.
It's a very cute train line.
Koo Jik Jik coming.
You can go on a tourist train.
Thank you.
This is the beautiful and very clean Hooghly River.
Very clean Hooghly River.
Very clean, non-smelly Hooghly River.
Okay. But this seems to be a perfect setting. Hey, give credit to me for this
Good spot.
Huh? Good spot, no?
Vegetarian, but.
vegetarian. I know. I sacrifice my non-veg food for y'all. Great, yeah.
If they are inside the AC, I don't know if they're upstairs or inside.
That's the Flotel restaurant, na? We enter via that gate, Flotel, and then we spot Bagicha here. There, Rachna spotted us, and so did Urvi. So no hiding, Vere, come. That's the Friendship Day gift.
Bye.
I choose this rocking chair for myself.
Biryani. She has only been eating masala dosa, so then she has come at least 3-4 masala dosas. Masala chai. She makes.
Rachna is also sad because no chicken today.
Kind of been slowing down on eating.
Become vegetarian or vegan?
There's
No, not vegan.
mushroom here.
We are not really.
We don't eat much meat.
Thepla quesadilla.
Thepla, na?
Thepla quesadilla.
Of course, how can we not have thepla when we have two Guju friends here?
She wanted to have dhokla tarts. I said, what?
I'll send her to Gujarat.
हम लोग को नहीं खाना है ढोकला.
हाँ, please ढोकला नहीं खाना है.
It's a chaat, Choturuka.
So I ordered the
But it tastes like dhokla.
And it tastes vegetarian also. Please order something which tastes non-vegetarian at least.
Mushroom.
Crispy chili chicken, imagine mushroom. I'm unemployed.
She also makes money, right? But
She makes money, but
what's that?
my cappuccino. That's right. The chai is coming. It doesn't have sugar. It doesn't have sugar. It doesn't have sugar. It's milk.
Yeah.
It came at about 5. It was a light. Yeah. So they were taking the upstairs.
So you can WhatsApp them and reserve your table.
Yes, they have a bar.
So that's the decor inside the cafe. This is when it's raining outside. I'll take you upstairs also. That's the open setting. But this is nice decor, comfortable, cozy, great hangout for friends, family. And that's the decor. That's your wall ceiling.
Blame the tool.
Purvi's having tea in the typical glass with Parle G biscuit.
This is a very
This is the trailer.
It's the trailer.
See?
Purvi couldn't do it. Rachna is doing a great job.
एक ड्रॉप नहीं गिराया
एक ड्रॉप नहीं गिरा है.
Last 47 years, our expertise. विदेश से मेरा दोस्त आया खाने पानी के लिए.
मेक्सिको से.
Miniature Parle-G.
Acha, now we are venturing upstairs so that we get a better view of the Hooghly River, the bougainvillea tree or the gulmohar tree.
See a rhododendron.
Maybe a rhododendron also. Okay, come, climb. Come, girls. Oh, that's nice. Photo session in progress.
No, where is taller? Nonsense. She's on the higher part of the ground. No. Yeah. Just don't.
The ambience is great, the setting is wonderful, food decent.
28 years, an epic friendship day with these crazy chicks.
Let
Now
me
aunties.
correct you. Let me correct you. It is almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years.
And we are still the same. The gang
Haven't
keeps on-
changed. Still crazy as ever.
Stress busters,
Stress busters.
free therapists. that is why we catch up so often.
We
Just love you all.
We
Happy
need the laughter.
Friendship
We need the
Day.
laughter. We need the friends to keep us young.
Love, laughter, fun. It's the shared dreams, memories,
Musu
bond.
Musu gang and the toy gang.
So much fun. Thank you, Shireen, for bringing Berry as our photographer.
Yay! Happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day. Mwah. Mwah. And to you. So much fun. So much fun. Thank God we made it today to Bagicha Cafe.
Yeah, true, very true.
That's why I said somehow or the other we have to figure it out.
Yeah.
You'll have to meet before I go.
Gorgeous babe.
Now Friendship Day, but anyway we meet up. It's always Friendship Day for us friends. And where to begin, where to end? Our friendship has no beginning and no ending. I think we feel we've known each other for donkey's years.
I mean, there are
It could be, I don't know how many years now.
Lost count. Absolutely. Yes.
And yeah, just carry on like this. She's still bugging me.
For another eons.
A very happy Friendship Day to everyone. I am extremely happy today as I get chance to meet all my old buddies. 25 years of friendship and still going on and on and on. Can you see that smile? That's only because they are there. Life revolves around friends, irrespective of how busy we are in our daily chores. But the actual smile, the inner happiness is only there when friends are with us. I'm extremely blessed and happy.
Totally agree. This is indeed our happy place. So it was for the last 2 hours. Tiring, tiring. Pick up that phone, call that person you love. Live, love, and laugh.
Give her the raw file. Send all 100.
Paneer roll.
She's very sad giving the paneer.
And shikanji.
This is your contribution that Nidhi's house is on Kala Mandir. Nidhi's house is closer to the 7 point.
And there's a typewriter in case you want to type a love note. As you can see, the SBI head office out here. That's for your location. This is next to Millennium Park. This is also close to the Flotel. This is the ambience that you can see. It's a big setting, especially if it's not raining. It's very pretty. Otherwise, you have to sit downstairs. वहाँ फ्लोटर दिख रहा है. Careful, okay. Miss Dongi, pretty picture, but nice it is. We'll come again in December when you come to India.
And if you don't like your partner,
In case you want to do a romantic date with your partner and not be bothered by these naughty, wicked girl gang, you can come with your loved one or the significant other and do all of this on the Nauka, Maro Chowka. And bye bye to Bagicha. Well, with that, it's a wrap for today. I really hope you liked today's content, the effort, the presentation, the vibe, the madness. Well, if you liked the video, then don't forget to give a big like to the video and share it with your friends and family. And as you can see, the setting sun, I hope the sun never sets on our friendship. From highlighting words such as geomorphology, pH balance, soil profile, etc., to now highlighting our hair with grey streaks, from wrinkled uniforms to wrinkled forehead. This friendship lasts long. Really missing Nidhi and Sajana from the college gang. Also missing so many of my childhood friends, the school friends, Boishali, Ritu, Saintani, Anisha, Kea. So many of them, the list is endless. Also a very close dear friend is Sylvia. Missing all of you guys on Friendship Day. Wishing each one of you a very happy Friendship Day. Keep celebrating, friends. Spoken a lot. Keep celebrating, friends. Keep celebrating the power of friendship. Keep celebrating the girl gang, the power of girls. They are real cheerleaders. They support you no matter what. No matter what. There are so many ups and downs in life, but somebody who will support you unconditionally, give the true picture of everything, criticize you, support you, love you, cheer you, all that is in the friendship. It is the key ingredient to life. It is also the key ingredient to youth. If anybody asks me what is the secret to your youth, I will say it's all because of my friends. They are the cushion to a very, very life which is topographically uneven. So they balance it out. They give that support. They give that cushion. They give that love. So more to all my friends. Cheers to all the friendship. If you have a friend, please do care. They are precious. Love them. Support them. Be with them. And until next time, take lots and lots of care of yourself and of all of your friends. Until next time, bye-bye. Keep watching Roop's Life and Lifestyle.